Hey, man, have you ever wondered what tools you need to use to work on a golf cart? Well, you're watching the Golf Cart Whisperer channel, and I'm gonna show you what tools I need, all right? These are what I use here. I got me some impact sockets. I got 3/8 drive deep well, you can see standard. 3/8 drive standard shallow. And then I got some 1/4 inch deep well and shallow. And then I got these here, man. Harbor Freight had these on sale. I wouldn't say on sale because they're expensive in my opinion. They're Icon, they're made by Snap-on with the gear wrenches. I love them. Got some ratchets. In the golf cart world, man, you'll love these here. You'll need some torque wrenches for sure. All the newer things are going to torque wrenches. I got this little assortment tray here, which has your Phillips bits, your 3/8 adapters, 1/4 inch adapters. And the same thing over here, I got deep well. Matter of fact, I had one missing, 8mm. I have some deep well and shallow 1/4 inch drive sockets. And then I have some deep well and shallow 3/8 drive sockets, as far as some metric ratchets. Some metric gear wrenches. Now, if you have a gas car, you're working on a lot of gas cars, you need to get one of these, man. If you don't have one of these, you're gonna be cussing all the time. It is a 3-jaw puller. Harbor Freight sells them, Advanced sells them, all right? You need this on the Kawasaki E-Z-GO engines to get the oil filter off. If not, man, you will be, God almighty, you'll be fighting like a grizzly bear. And then I got me some deep well, and you can see here all the way up from 12 pieces all the way up to, I think it's 1 inch and 5/16. Got me just flathead and Phillips screwdrivers. And then I got me another drawer of some other wrenches I can use that way in case the other ones are too long or I don't want to use a regular gear wrench. I grab this. No, you don't need no speed square. We do that sometimes, man, if we're trying to draw a straight line. But I have these right here. They're swivel sockets. Honestly, waste of money, man. Don't need them, never use them. Then you got your little plier drawer. You'll find out in the golf cart world, your crimpers and strippers will be your best friend. And no, I don't mean the stripper pole, I mean the strippers. All right, tape measure. And you can see here, got me a drill bit assortment. Remember this now, one thing you haven't learned from the Golf Cart channel, number 1, voltmeter's your best friend. Number 2, drill slow with your drill bits. You will need them. And then I got the Curtis handheld for the club car and E-Z-GOs. I don't never use it, man, because I was raised and taught myself how to use a voltmeter versus the handheld tool. I'm the type, man, all these newer car dealerships and everybody, they're all use computers. So when there's something breaks down or the computer don't work, man, really the mechanic's worthless. So I kind of trained myself without them. I can use it. But I just don't use it, man. I'd rather get my voltmeter out. Unless somebody's in a hurry, I'll plug in the handheld tool just to make sure. But other than that, I don't mess with them. Voltmeter is your best friend. This here is going to be your best friend here. I like this. If y'all watch my videos, you've seen this. It's got a hot and a ground hookup. You hook the black and the red to your positive and negative. And then you can figure out how you're missing, because if you push up on this button, it gives it a hot. And you push down on a button, it gives it a ground. It comes in handy a lot, man. And of course, you're going to need a spark tester. All right. And I got me a fuel compression gauge at the house. I just haven't bought it here yet. That's for the new fuel injection, check compression. This is just a catch-all drawer. You can see here, man, these here work pretty good. I bought these from Harbor Freight as well. It's a 1/4 inch side ratchet. I've had it for probably about a year, man, and used the hell out of it. And it still works, man. 12 volt, but it's got some balls, buddy. It's got some power, man. All right, and the same thing down here. I have my DeWalt gun, impact gun. See that? I've had that since 2018. Then I got me a Hercules gun, Craftsman drill, caught it on sale at Lowe's. 99 bucks. I mean, you don't have to go out and buy $500 guns. I mean, you're just starting out, use your guns, man. But I will say this. I'm 47 years old. Use your impact guns and your ratchets while you can. Don't use your wrenches and use your hand as a ratchet. You get my age, man, you have a problem with carpal tunnel and your hand sleeping. So make sure you let the guns do the work. Now, this is another good tool here, man. Pittsburgh Harbor Freight. And the reason I bought Harbor Freight, man, I used to use Mac, but my employees keep losing my damn tools. So I went and bought something cheap. They break it. It is what it is. You can see you got the 3/4, 13/16 common. Common is 17 millimeter, 3/4, 13/16 is most common. And then I have this right here. Now I like this because it has all your torque wrenches, Allen wrenches, everything in the tray. I like buying assortments better than individual, man, because you can tell what tool's missing by looking at it versus just looking in there and you see a bunch of wrenches thrown inside of a damn drawer. You don't know what's missing until you go to need it and it's gone. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. I just want to show y'all that, man. I appreciate everybody watching my videos. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you watch all my videos. And also, man, if there's something that I don't use that y'all use, man, comment below, man. I want to see what y'all use. I'm sure there's something y'all use. Like I've always said, man, I'm not one that thinks I know every damn thing. I don't. Electronics will blow your mind faster than you can get to work, man. Or faster you, excuse me. Electronic will blow your mind faster than you can get home from work. All right, so don't sit there and think you know everything, man, because I've been doing this since '97. I don't know everything. I don't say I do, because I'm not. It is what it is, man. As soon as you think you get that big head, guess what? It will get deflated. All right, because electronics have a mind of their own, about like a woman. Nah, man, I wasn't joking there, but it was all good. All right, man. Appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On my page, I have over 100 videos scheduled to be released within the next year. If you want early access to them, you just become a member. You can get early access to them. But always remember, and one thing y'all learn on this channel, man, always remember, what is that? See who can tell me. There you go. Hey, hey, hey.